Dear students, good morning to all. Welcome to our science online class. In this video, we discuss about length. Before move into the lesson, let I ask you few questions. First, your friends decide to play kabaddi. How will you measure and draw the border line? To answer these questions, first you should know about measurement and which type of instrument you used. So first, what is measurement? Measurement is the comparison of unknown quantities with some known quantities. For example, if you go to buy some vegetables, the shopkeeper compared unknown quantity with standard quantity. Measurement of a quantity has two parts. One is number and another one is unit. For example, if you go to buy 1 kg of potatoes, here 1 is the number and kg is the unit. We have already heard about the words like millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer, etc. These are the units to measure the length. What is length? The distance between one end and the other desired end is called as length. It may be the distance between the edges of book or the distance between the edges of a table or corners of a football ground. The standard unit of length is meter. It is represented by the letter M. Then, how do we measure the different lengths? To measure this, we use the different units like millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer, where we use the different units. If you measure very small length, we use the units millimeter and centimeter. For example, length of a pencil or length of a pen or length of a stick, etc. If you measure larger length like a height of a building, a lamp post, etc., here we use the units like meter. Then how do you express still longer length like distance between two cities? Here we use the unit kilometer. Next, conversion of units. Listen here. Take a small scale. In that,
the lines with marking 1, 2, 3, 4 till 15. The distance between 1 and 2 is denotes a centimeter. It is written as cm. Okay, and then in between 1 and 2 there will be a smaller markings. If you count, there will be a 9 lines. The distance between two smaller markings is millimeter. It is written as mm. So 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Then how do you measure the length of a pencil? To understand this, using with one activity. To do this activity, we need 1 meter scale and 1 pencil. Then how do you measure? First, the head of the pencil has to coincide with 0 of the scale. Then count the number of centimeter till the end of the pencil, and from there count the number of small markings. Here the end of the pencil has to coincide with marking 8. There is no smaller markings. So the length of the pencil is 8 centimeter. Already I told you, for every measurements has two parts. One is number and another one is unit. Here 8 is the number and centimeter is the unit. Here the centimeter is the unit. Why do we need SI units? Already scientists all over the world have adopted a common set of units to express measurement. This is the SI unit or system of units. For example, length meter, mass kilogram, time second. Let us discuss about prefix. What is prefix? Already I told you, to measure different quantities using different units. We use millimeter or centimeter or kilometer to measure the different length. We use the distance between the two cities using the units kilometer. In that, kilo is the prefix and meter is the base units. So the prefix means the word present before the base units. For example, kilometer. In that, meter is the base unit and kilo is the prefix.
like a centimeter. In that, centi is the prefix. Dear students, from this session, you are all understood all about length, like what is length and what is the SI unit of length and how do you measure the length. Now let us move to review of this session. First, what is measurement? Measurement is the comparison of unknown quantities with standard quantities. Next, what is the length? The distance between one end and the other desired end is called as length. The SI unit of length is meter. It is represented by letter M. Next, SI unit of various quantities. Length, meter. Mass, kilogram. Time, second. Dear students, I think you are all enjoyed this session. We will meet again in next session with another topic. Thank you to one and all.